Alright, good morning everyone. This is just an extremely quick video of a Kato GS4 that came in for some repair work and to have sound installed in it. So basically this GS4 arrived to me. Customer had a complaint that the handrails were all jacked up, which when Kato switched from the hard jewel cases to this kind of package where you got the clamshell, the wire grab irons here and here had a tendency of rubbing in that case up on the corner here, and it would bang these guys in, especially on the left hand side, especially if you didn't have that piece of plastic and you took that out and you shipped it without it. It would shift around and it would just freaking break off. So I repaired those the best I could. Also, it was loping, so I replaced a couple of the drivers on there, which seemed to be a little out of whack on there, and it seems to be running nice and smooth now. Beyond that, it was also missing the top light bar that goes to the what do they call the number boards up here that come off of the headlight. There's a little bar that comes back here. There's not really much I can do about that. Kato doesn't have that as a part, so, but that's just number board lights, and I think we can live without that for the time being. So mechanism runs smooth, and then I installed an ESU 58731 sound decoder. You've seen me install a bunch of these in these recently, so installed that with an 11x17 sugar cube in the rear tender and modified the front light board, so got rid of all their orangish greenish LEDs and just has, bright white or warm white LEDs in there. Look a little bit better. That's got a rear tender light in it. So without further ado, we're just going to put some sound on and Alright, there we go. GS4 from Kato with an ESU LokSound V5 58731 installed. Some minor repairs done to it, and it seems to be running alright. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.